Hey guys, my name is Khaleel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money online editing and proofreading documents. Yes, this is a very easy method. If you love editing or reading, then this method is for you. Okay, it's a very easy way to make money online, especially now with this lockdown that all of us are now quarantined, right? So you can use that time to make money on the internet. A lot of people are using this method to make money online. Okay, so if people are doing it, you too can do this. Even if you have a 9-to-5 job, you can still use this as a side hustle and still make a lot of money. So even if you have a job, then now that we're all at home, you can utilize that time and make money, a lot of money actually, with this method, just editing or proofreading, and make a lot of money. And this method is global. Wherever you are in the world, you can use this and still make money on the internet. All right, so without further ado, let's now get into the video. But before we do that, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate that. You see, so the website I'm going to be showing you today, or the platform, is called proofreading.org, okay, or Cambridge Proofreading LLC. This platform, you can you're going to proofread or edit documents and make money. It allows you to do that, to proofread or edit documents and make money while you do that. Okay, this is a very good way to make money. So how do we get started with this website? What you need to do, you first click there's a link in the description below. Click it, or you just open your browser and type proofreading.org. it will redirect you to this website, and then you go to careers and then you start the sign up process. Okay, so the first steps in the sign up process is a language quiz. You need to take a language quiz to determine your understanding of the English language. Once you pass that successfully, then there is a trial edit, which you're going to edit a document as a trial, okay, which is going to be accessed by the editing team manager. So once you pass these steps successfully, and then now you can start editing professionally. All right, and so once you have a job, then you're going to be notified through email, and then you can decide to take it or reject it, or you can go to the marketplace and just select any order you want to complete. You can select any order you want to complete and then start working on it. So that's how you make money with this platform. You edit or proofread documents and you make your money that way. All right, so now let's talk about the best part of it, which is making payment. So how does this website pay its freelancers? Okay, this website pays $20 to $30 per hour. So just think about this. If you can work just 5 hours in a day, that's $100. So with this website you can make over $3,000 a month if you can just work 5 hours per day. So it's actually a very easy and simple way to make money on the internet. All right, proofreading.org, that's the website, and this website pays weekly, bi-monthly, or monthly. It depends on you, whichever one you choose. That's how you're going to be paid, and it pays through PayPal. All right, so if you have a PayPal account, you're going to be paid through PayPal. Even if you don't have a PayPal account, then you need to sign up. You need to go to PayPal and then register for a PayPal account, and then because that's where you're going to be paid your funds. All right, and now let's talk about the requirements. So what are the requirements to getting started with this website? One of the first requirement is that you have to be a native English speaker with an advanced understanding of the English language. Okay, so all the work on this website is actually in English language. So to be able to work on this website, you have to be a native English language. You have to understand English very well. You have to be an advanced you have to have an advanced understanding of the English language. That's the first requirement. The second requirement is that you have to have a bachelor's degree from a US, a UK, or any English speaking university, because you know most of the work on this website is actually academic, you know, thesis or dissertations, research papers and all that. So they are mostly academic works, so that's why they require you to have at least a bachelor's degree for you to be able to work on this platform. All right, and a master's or a PhD is also an added advantage. Okay, so that's that. And also you have to be able to commit to editing at least a minimum of 10,000 words per week. So if you meet these requirements, then all you have to do is just go to proofreading.org and then sign up as a freelancer and start proofreading or editing documents and make your money that way. Like I said earlier, with this method you can you're going to earn $20 to $30 per hour just editing or proofreading documents. So that's a very easy way to make money online. Because just think about it, with this, just editing documents, you know, you're not the one typing these documents, just reading through them. If you see any mistakes, you edit them and all that, and then you can make about $3,000 a month just by doing that. So this is a very good platform, a very good method of making money online, especially now that we're idle at home with no job, you know, quarantine and all that. So just go to this website and just go through it. If you meet the requirements, sign up as a freelancer and then start editing documents and start making money. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. That's that for this video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.